Namaste dear students. We have started chapter number 2, Mechanical Properties of Fluids, and we have seen surface tension, surface energy and relation between surface tension and surface energy in first and second lectures, and in third lecture we have seen some problems related to those topics. Now today we take some different problems which are related to the same topic. The topic is surface tension, and we see the problems which are based on the topic surface tension and which are based on the formula W equal to TA. So I read problem number 20 of the textbook. Problem number 20. 27 droplets of water, each of radius 0.1 mm, coalesce into a single drop. Find change in surface energy. Surface tension of water is 0.072 Newton per meter. So this is our today's problem. Now here we use same method which we have used in the last problem. Means in lecture number 3 we have seen one problem and method is same, only type of the problem is different. Now let us see this problem. In this problem 27 droplets of water are coalesce, means they collect together and a single drop of water is formed, and we have to find the change in energy. म्हणजे 27 पाण्याचे ड्रॉप्स एकत्र आल्यानंतर पाण्याचा एक ड्रॉप तयार होतो, तर त्यावेळेस चेंज ऑफ द एनर्जी किती असेल ते आपल्याला इथे फाइंड करायचं आहे. मग हे चेंज ऑफ द एनर्जी फाइंड करण्यासाठी आपल्याला दोघं रेडियस माहिती असणं आवश्यक आहे. रेडियस ऑफ द ड्रॉपलेट आपल्याला माहिती आहे. रेडियस ऑफ द ड्रॉपलेट स्मॉल आर 0.1 mm. प्रॉब्लेम मध्ये हे असं दिलेलं आहे. मग 0.1 mm is equal to 0.1 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter, and this is equal to 1 into 10 raised to minus 4 meter. So this is radius of the droplet. It is given. Radius of the droplet is given and convert in meters. Then surface tension of water is given, T equal to 0.072 Newton per meter. It is given surface tension of water. Then we find the radius of the drop, and for that purpose we use a formula. Volume of drop is equal to 27 multiplied by volume of droplet. Means volume of one drop is equal to 27 multiplied by volume of one droplet. So 4 upon 3 pi r cube is equal to 27 multiplied by 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Here this small r and this is capital R we are using. This is capital R for it is the radius of the drop. Small r radius of the droplet. Now here 4 upon 3 and pi. 4 upon 3 and pi cancel. Take cube root of r cube, so it is r. Cube root of 27 is 3 and cube root of this r cube is r, and therefore r is equal to we get this capital R equal to 3R. Means radius of the drop is thrice R. Now, now let us find change in area. Now to find change in area, we use formula A2 minus A1, means final area minus initial area. Which is final area? Area of the drop. And area of the drop is 4 pi R square minus 27 multiplied by area, 27 multiplied by area of the droplet. Area of the droplet is 4 pi R square. So, final area minus initial area. Now here we put value of R equal to 3R. So it is 4 pi multiplied by 3R square minus 27 into 4 pi R square. So this is equal to this 4 pi multiplied by 9 into R square minus 27 into 4 pi R square equal to, now take 4 pi R square common. So in bracket it is 9 minus 27. So this is equal to 4 pi R square multiplied by 18. So change in area A is equal to 4 pi into 4 pi R square into 18, and it is equal to 72 pi R square. So this is change in area. This is value of the change in area, and it is negative value because 9 minus 27 will be minus 18. So this area is negative. Now area is negative. This indicates that there is a decrease in area. Decrease in area. Negative sign indicate that there is a decrease of area. Now find energy. Now energy, work done is stored in the form of energy. Means work done is energy, and so we write W is equal to T multiplied by A. This W is energy, means work done is stored in the form of energy, and so we write W, we find W, and that will be energy. So surface energy is equal to T multiplied by A. T is 0.072, or first we write here area minus 72 pi into R square. So it is minus T, put value of T 0.072, then multiplied by 72, it is 3.142 into, put value of R. What is R? R is equal to 10 raised to minus 4, 1 into 10 raised to minus 4, and it is square. So this is value of R. Equal to, now take multiplication of this 3, and this multiplication is found to be 16.288. It is 16.288 into 10 raised to minus 8. It is equal to minus 1.6288 into 10 raised to minus 7 joule. And this is surface energy. This is final answer, surface energy. Now you can write magnitude. It is equal to 1.6288 into 10 raised to minus 7 joule. Negative sign indicate that the energy is released or it is liberated. The energy is released. Surface energy is released. This is the meaning of the negative sign. and this is final answer. So this is the change in energy. This change in energy is negative because the energy here energy is liberated and therefore change in energy is negative. So we take another problem, and problem number we take problem number 23 of the textbook. Now I will read this problem. Problem is a rectangular wire frame of size 2 cm by 2 cm is deep in a soap solution and taken out. A soap film is formed. If the size of the film is changed to 3 cm by 3 cm, calculate the work done in the process. So this is a problem, and we are given surface tension of the soap solution is 3. Its value is given, it is 3 into 10 raised to minus 2 Newton meter. It is a short problem we try to solve in a short time. So problem number 23. T is equal to surface tension is given, it is 3 into 10 raised to minus 2 Newton per meter. Then initial area A1 is given, and this area is 2 by 2 centimeter square, means it is 4 centimeter square, and it is 4 into 10 raised to minus 4 meter square. Then second area, final area is given 3 by 3 centimeter square, and it is 9 centimeter square, equal to 9 into 10 raised to minus 4 meter square. This is final area. And since then change in area, A is equal to A2 minus A1. Now put value of A2 and put value of A1, and this change of area will be double because it is a soap solution. If it is a soap solution, surface film is double, and therefore we take here 2 factor when there will be change, when we solve the problems of the soap solution, then change in the area will be double, and so we write here 2. So put value of A2, put value of A1. So 2 multiplied by value of A2, it is 9 into 10 raised to minus 4. Then it is A1, it is 4 into 10 raised to minus 4. So this is equal to 2 multiplied by 9 minus 5 minus 4 will be 5 into 10 raised to minus 4 is common. So this is equal to 10 into 10 raised to minus 4 and equal to 10 into 10 raised to minus. So it is 10 raised to minus 3 meters square. This is change in the area. Then work done is W equal to T multiplied by A formula. Then put value of T, it is 3 into 10 raised to minus 2, and put value of A, it is 10 raised to minus 3. So 3 into 10 raised to minus 5 joule. This is final answer, this is work done. Now here in this problem, the size of the rectangular wire is given, and initial size is A1, and the size of the soap film is 3 by 3, and from that we determine the change in area during the process, and from that we have determined work done during the process, and that work done is found to be W is equal to 3 into 10 raised to minus 5 joule. And thank you very much.